Ever get stuck on hold with customer service? Endlessly listening to that terrible elevator music.
Don't even get me started. The
Yeah,
worst.
me too. But what if we can make those frustrating waits a thing of the past?
Now you're talking. That'd be something.
That's where AI chatbots come in.
Exactly. And they're changing the game. Big time.
So we're diving into the August 2024 article, What is an AI Chatbot? To unpack just how these digital assistants work.
And why they're causing such a stir. Everyone's talking about them.
Think of this deep dive as your crash course on all things chatbot.
By the end of this, you'll be the expert. Impress your friends, family, even your boss.
Okay, so let's unpack this. The article defines an AI chatbot as, and I quote, a software application designed to simulate human conversation.
Right.
Sounds pretty straightforward, right?
Right. It does. But there's a lot going on under the hood,
So I bet.
It's way more than just a simple contact form. AI chatbots use cutting-edge technology like natural language processing, NLP, as the cool kids call it, to actually engage in dynamic two-way conversations.
Two-way. So they don't just react to keywords.
No. They actually try to understand what you mean, like a real conversation.
So it's the difference between a chatbot spitting out a canned response and actually holding a conversation.
Precisely.
Yeah.
Now, the article mentions two main types of chatbots, rule-based and AI-powered.
Okay, so what's the difference?
Think of those rule-based ones, like those automated phone systems. We all love to hate them.
Please press 3 for. Nope. Went down the wrong rabbit hole again.
Exactly. Fine for simple questions, but get thrown off by anything complex.
And AI-powered chatbots, they can handle those curveballs.
Absolutely. They use machine learning. So they're basically learning and adapting all the time to understand those nuanced queries and get you the information you need.
Like having a super smart assistant who's always learning new tricks.
There you go.
So, but why are businesses so obsessed with them?
Good question.
I mean, the article talks about 24/7 availability, which is huge in our always-on world.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Imagine a world where you never have to wait on hold again. Need help at 3 a.m., no problem. An AI chatbot has got you covered.
Yeah, that's the dream.
Right. Huge win for businesses and customers.
That's what I'm talking about. And it's not just about convenience. The article mentions that a single AI chatbot can handle thousands of customer interactions all at the same time.
Oh, yeah. Simultaneously.
That just blows my mind. So businesses can provide instant support to a massive number of people without breaking the bank.
And that's key, right? That scalability.
Yeah.
Especially for businesses struggling with high customer service volume. Peak hours, you know the deal.
It's like having an army of customer service agents all working tirelessly at a fraction of the cost.
You got it. Win-win for everyone involved.
So are chatbots just a one-trick pony, destined for customer service alone? Or can they handle more? More than just answering basic questions. More than customer service. Come on, tell me more. I'm ready to have my mind blown.
Oh, you're in for a treat.
Okay, hit me.
So this article, it highlights some seriously cool uses.
Yeah.
Like in e-commerce, for example.
E-commerce. Okay, I'm listening.
Imagine having a chatbot, but it's your personal shopper.
Hold on, like a personal shopper? Okay.
Learns your style, what you like, your budget,
Mm-hmm.
and then boom, makes recommendations just for you.
Okay, wait. No more scrolling endlessly.
Exactly.
Sign me up.
Right.
Though I might end up buying way more with a little chatbot whispering temptations in my ear.
Well, that's the idea, right? But it gets even more wild. Healthcare.
Healthcare, okay.
Chatbots,
Mhm.
scheduling appointments,
Mhm.
reminding you to take your meds, even offering preliminary medical advice.
Hold up. Medical advice from a bot? That's kind of amazing, but also a little freaky. How does that even work?
So it all comes down to this thing called natural language understanding.
Okay.
It's a key part of NLP, which we talked about before, remember?
Right. NLP.
Basically, lets the chatbot process what you're saying, your symptoms, and compare them to this massive database of medical knowledge.
So like having a mini doctor in your pocket.
In a way, yeah.
But I'm guessing I shouldn't skip my annual checkup just yet.
Probably not. Look, while these chatbots can offer basic guidance, they should never replace a real qualified doctor.
Good to know. So what else can these chatbots do besides freaking me out a little bit?
Okay, how about education?
Education, okay.
Yeah. The article talks about chatbots acting as tutors, giving personalized lessons, even grading assignments.
Whoa. Hold on. Grading assignments, like a teacher.
Yeah, like a digital teacher. Can you imagine?
Students getting instant feedback without their teachers having to stay up all night grading.
Right.
That's amazing.
Could totally change how we learn,
This is incredible. But let's be real.
It's that.
There've got to be some downsides.
Right.
I mean, what's the catch with these AI chatbots? Come on, spill the tea. What are the downsides of chatbots?
Well, like with anything new, right, there are a few growing pains.
There's growing pains up
Yeah,
there.
one of the big ones is handling like those really complex queries.
Complex how?
So NLP, it's improving so fast, but it still kind of trips up on those little nuances in language.
Nuances, right?
Think about technical jargon or super niche fields, you know.
Okay, yeah.
Those are still tough for chatbots to fully grasp.
So my dream of a chatbot writing this podcast, still a long way off.
You're probably safe for now, but you've hit on something important.
Okay.
Context. Context is key. Humans, we're great at understanding the flow of a conversation, those little cues.
Right.
Chatbots, not so much.
It's like when you're telling a story and someone's like, wait, who's that again? They missed something and the whole thing falls apart.
Exactly.
Hmm.
And without that context, chatbots, well, they can misunderstand, give weird answers, or just sound, robotic.
Right.
The article even mentions that 40% of users still prefer humans for those complex issues.
Yeah, I get it. Sometimes you just need a real person on the other end, not just a bot.
Totally.
Okay, but even with the downsides, it sounds like AI chatbots are on the edge of something massive.
Oh, for sure.
So what's next for them? What does the future hold?
Oh, man. The future of chatbots is exciting.
Hit me.
One huge thing, of course, is improving that natural language processing. We've got to get those chatbots really understanding us, the nuances.
To make them more helpful.
Exactly. The goal is to make talking to a chatbot feel as natural as talking to, well, you and me,
Wow.
but with the perks of instant info and being available 24/7.
No more robotic responses, no more misunderstandings.
Ideally, no.
Okay, but that almost sounds too futuristic. What about things like emotions? Could a chatbot ever understand how we feel?
That's actually a hot topic in AI right now, emotion recognition.
No way.
Imagine a chatbot that can tell if a customer is frustrated and changes how it responds.
Wow.
Or one that senses loneliness in an elderly user and connects them with support.
That's incredible. Using AI to actually help people in need, that's a future I can get behind.
It is exciting. But remember, with any powerful tech, we got to be mindful.
Right.
Like you said before, sometimes you just need that human touch. As chatbots get smarter, we have to make sure they're helping humans, not replacing us entirely.
That's a really good point. So, wow, we covered a ton today. What AI chatbots are, how they work, the good, the bad. It's a lot to think about.
It really is. And we're just scratching the surface. Who knows what crazy advancements are coming next?
Well, one thing's for sure, you'll hear it here first. Until next time, deep divers, keep those curious